If the phrase hair vinegar is a little sus and intimidating, I get it. But putting vinegar on your hair is the best way to get your shine back. But I've tried vinegar in the past, and even though when you rinse it out, it doesn't stay in your hair, the smell at the time is so strong. So when I saw that this brand that's been around since I was a child put out hair vinegar, I saw it all over the internet, on all platforms. It is raspberry scented, and I'm telling you, it smells like fresh pressed juice. I really would love to drink it if I could, but this is great. After I shampoo and condition my hair, I put it on there, let it sit for a little bit, and then rinse it out, and look at the shine. It just smells amazing. I literally can't get over how good it smells, especially for being vinegar. This is basically a rinse treatment. And what it does is help smooth out that top layer of your hair, the cuticle. So your hair reflects more light and is shinier and healthier. The biggest thing that people ask is, does your hair smell like vinegar? No, it doesn't. What I notice is my hair is looking less dull, less frizzy. This is just straight out of the shower last night, letting it air dry, no products in it whatsoever. I used the hair density shampoo that they have, and then my own conditioner, and then this, and rinse it out. This is great for color treated hair. I treat my hair at home every 10 to 14 days. If you have damage, if you have heat styled hair, this is the type of product you need for a visible difference. This is one of those easy extra steps that doesn't take long, that's going to make a big difference. I'm gonna link it right here for you. I highly recommend it. You are going to be addicted to the scent alone, and then the results, it's worth it.